Affiliate marketing in 2023, things you must know. The journey to becoming an affiliate marketer can seem daunting at first, but if you break it down into smaller steps, achieving your goals becomes a lot easier. Find a niche. Choose an affiliate program. Decide on a traffic source. Create content to build trust. Grow an audience. Respond and chat with your audience. 1. Find a niche. The best way to succeed in affiliate marketing is by establishing yourself within a niche. A niche is a topic you'll become an authority on. Some of the best niches include hobbies, travel, photography, golfing, outdoors, money, Bitcoin, personal finance, credit cards, investing, health, fitness, nutrition, vegan, weight loss, yoga, lifestyle, luxury, airlines, fashion, jewelry, home, baby products, dogs, plants, security, tech, web hosting, VPN, gaming, software, alternative, personal development, marijuana, CBD, herbal remedies. So how do you choose your niche? You want to start with niches that have a high chance of profitability. For example, our research asterisk found that business-related programs have some of the highest commissions, while clothing or books and media have some of the lowest. Ask yourself the following questions to narrow down your options. Are you curious to learn more about your niche? Keeping up with trends and industry news in your area is super important in making sure you stay relevant for your audience. Do you already have experience or training in a specialized area? If you're already knowledgeable on a subject, you can flatten your learning curve and get ahead more easily. Is it possible to create content without upfront investment? Some niches like technology or travel can involve a lot of upfront costs if you don't already have the equipment or content to start with. Is it profitable? Ultimately, you want to make money. So if your niche is either too broad, so you end up with too much competition, or too narrow, so you don't have enough people interested in it, you'll risk not making a profit. 2. Choose an affiliate program. Once you've decided on a niche, the next step is choosing what affiliate programs to join. It makes sense to choose a program or affiliate products that align with your niche. For example, lots of YouTube channels promote virtual private network (VPN) services so their audience can watch them anywhere in the world. A more specific example would be vegan fitness and lifestyle educator Derek Simnet, who is an affiliate for Viveo Life Supplements. There are 2 ways of finding suitable affiliate programs within your niche: direct and through marketplaces. If you're already aware of brands in your niche that have affiliate marketing programs, you can approach them directly and sign up for them. Affiliate programs are usually free to sign up for. The other option is to join an affiliate program marketplace or network where you can browse thousands of programs and sign up for them through the marketplace. Affiliate networks, such as the following, offer thousands of merchants in various niches: Sharia Sale, ClickBank, Allwin, Flex Offers, Amazon Associates, CJ, Rakuten Advertising. 3. Decide on a traffic source. At this point, you'll need to start thinking about your traffic source. People often make the mistake of thinking you must become a blogger with a dedicated website, which costs money. Though it is helpful to have one later when you feel able to reinvest in your business and scale upward, it's not essential. You can start generating affiliate income using other free traffic sources such as social media platforms, YouTube, and forum-based sites like Reddit and Quora. Let's look at a few advantages and disadvantages of each channel. Facebook. Pros: the largest social media platform around. You can reach a big audience. Cons: less attractive to younger audiences, bad organic reach. Instagram. Pros: highly visual, excellent for showcasing products and services. Strong emphasis on video content like Reels and Stories. Cons: lower organic reach for feed posts. YouTube. Pros: great for search engine optimization, a global audience of over 2 billion people. Cons: a lot of competition in most niches. Videos need to be professional and high quality. TikTok. Pros: short video clips that don't require a professional look and feel. More personal and authentic experiences. Trends start on TikTok. Cons: Links and descriptions are not clickable. Pros: excellent organic reach, an established platform for professionals. Cons: predominantly for B2B audiences. Lots of affiliate marketers make their income entirely through social media. A great example would be Papery Thoughts, a YouTube channel, among other social media accounts, that creates YouTube videos about journaling. 4. Create content to build trust. No matter which platforms you decide to use for affiliate marketing efforts, the next step is to start creating content that builds trust with your target audience. In 2020, internet users worldwide spent, on average, 145 minutes per day on social media. What keeps us online for over 2 hours a day? Great content. Building a content library takes time, so it's a good idea to plan ahead and create a content calendar or strategy. Your calendar can include outlines of what type of content you'll publish on any given day, such as tutorials, Q&As, product reviews, how-to tips and tricks. You can figure out which keywords to use with a bit of research. Using YouTube as an example, try searching for your competitors' channels. See what videos are their most popular ones and pay attention to the video title, description, and tags they've used. And of course, don't forget to include links to your affiliate products or services and add a disclaimer that explains they are affiliated. Focus on publishing high-quality content that teaches your audience something. Always bring value to them and do not focus your content around yourself. You're going to be excited to start earning affiliate sales and landing brand deals. But before you can do that, build a highly engaged audience. That will pay off in dividends later. 5. Grow an audience. While you're creating content on your platform of choice, it's also a good idea to start building an email list or SMS list. There are 2 main reasons for doing this. You own your contact list, so you don't need to rely on social media platforms to interact with your audience. All of the major platforms have hiccups now and then, so when they go down, you can always contact your audience via email. While some affiliate programs don't allow you to include affiliate links in your emails, Amazon's affiliate program being the main one, you can still email links to content you create that contain affiliate links. You send traffic to any of your content. Using your email list is a great opportunity to add even more value to your audience, further building authority in your niche subject. Some ideas to help you get started with content for your email list include industry reports or news, links to new blog posts, interview roundups or summaries, behind the scenes of your life or business, promotional deals every once in a while, free digital downloads. Once you build trust with an audience, you can start promoting high-ticket affiliate programs. These programs offer opportunities to make up to 5 figures per sale, but you often need to have an established niche and influence to encourage people to buy more expensive products. 6. Respond and chat with your audience. The last tip for growing your affiliate marketing business is engaging with your audience. Generating conversation not only helps your followers or subscribers feel heard, but also works in your favor for social media algorithms. When people interact with your content, it's generally a signal for algorithms to say that your stuff is worth boosting and showing to more people who might be interested. On TikTok, for example, when you like and respond to comments on your videos, those comments will have a special badge that says "Liked by the creator," which stands out against other comments. These interactions are important as they tell your audience that you do read and appreciate their thoughts. As a result, they're more likely to interact with your future content and maybe even encourage others to do so too. Responding to your audience lets you find out what they might want from you in terms of future content, a win-win situation. Start your affiliate marketing business today. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to come with an upfront investment. Taking the steps outlined in this guide can be a relatively risk-free way of starting your journey. The only cost is your time and effort. So start thinking about what niches you could start building, working up to a passive income, and working from anywhere you want. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Remember to hit that like button on your way out. Share the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out when we post new videos.